Hey guys, before we get started on my video, I want you to go and check out Benjamin Kellett. I will put a link in the description. I've been watching his videos. Fantastic videography, commentary, great personality, and a great way to spend your winter evenings if you can't be out flying. This gentleman has a really fun channel to watch. So go check Benjamin out, guys. Tell him Jerry sent you and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Awesome content.
Just down there, and look at all those waterfalls. Amazing. Wow. Such a cool perspective.
Welcome back, YouTube. And we're in another snowstorm. It is sucky. Anyways, we're gonna go for a drive and see if we can get up to no good of some kind of no good today in this shitty weather. We are driving through the famous Kicking Horse Canyon, where they are four-laning one of the worst stretches of highway in Canada. This is the main thoroughfare across Canada, the Trans-Canada Highway, or the number one. And I'm a little bit sad to see this part of the road get fixed. It has been a staple in my life. It has been a two-lane winding nightmare since I was a little kid. I operated tow trucks for a number of years with my buddy's outfit, Troy, that we fly with. And yeah, we pulled many a truck wrecks out of here over the years, and cars and pickups and you name it. But it's long overdue. This is the main highway across Canada, and as you can see, it's straight up on the left and it's straight down on the right. It is not a very good road, but man, it is changing, and it is changing fast. One of the things I really hope they do is that they keep some access points through this section of highway. And you can see just coming up ahead, there's a machine on the cliff there. Well, just past that on the left, there's a road that goes up, and it was Frenchman's Ridge, it was called. Great place to go dirt biking, deer hunting, you name it. Just an awesome little spot. So I do believe they're gonna keep that access open. I sure hope they do. They're just giving her, they're drilling and blasting out here, man. I think this project's supposed to take 3 or 4 years or something. I forget what they said, but many cranes, lots and lots of equipment. So this section gets closed right now at night, 10 o'clock through till morning, I think it's 7. And then the alternate route from the west to the east or east to the west adds 2 hours to your trip. So that's kind of sucky, but you can see they're putting big pillars in. And yeah, they're gonna make some cantilevers, some bridges, some overpasses, all kinds of stuff to get us through this section of road. Anyways, we are gonna go for a ride out here, hopefully not get stuck by somebody being dumb and crashing. I know this is probably too close, but I'm just filming with my iPhone right now. Anyways, we'll get through here, guys. And once we're through here, I don't know, maybe we'll go for a hike along a river. I'm just bloody bored today, man. Oh, my windows froze up, and I just ran out of washer fluid. Why did I not top it up when I know I was supposed to? Oh well. One digger digging. So yeah, guys, happy holidays to everybody. Not to wish my life away, but let's get this 2021 in the books. Hopefully 2022 brings a little bit better lifestyle than what we're digging right now. This has been a rough year or two. In so many ways for so many people. From floods to volcanoes to tornadoes. Anyways, all shit that happens all the time. It just seems to be worse when you're going through a global pandemic. It doesn't seem to help any. This big retaining wall on the left keeps rocks from falling on us. They built that some 15, 20 years ago. Logging truck with a half load. What the hell's he doing with a half load? Alright, this old 5 Mile Bridge used to be here. This is part of the road they fixed a number of years back. 4-lane this. Over the mighty Kicking Horse River. Welcome to Jerry Doesn't Get to Fly for a while. Golden Airport is just sucky. They have been doing a really crappy job of keeping it clean. Oh well, what are you gonna do, right? I almost didn't get that woed up. Oh, good Lord. Well, I hope they have the road somewhat plowed out here. This is still the Kicking Horse River, just farther upstream to the east. It's quite beautiful, really. Maybe we'll go for a walk along the river somewhere here. There's quite a bit of dirty ice coming down there, which is a little bit weird. See? That's dirty, 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 dirty. Huh. Alright guys, so we were heading kind of southeast on a road. Now we're heading more north-ish. Just because this is what's plowed. The other one wasn't plowed at all. And I really don't feel like getting stuck today. This doesn't mean that I won't. It just means there's less chance of it. Isn't that pretty?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
No, this looks like maybe a little bit easier going. Woohoo! Yeah, it's a little better. Oh, I don't know, guys. Whoops, sorry. I got you guys tangled up. These dang spruce trees. All right, we're at a stop again, and I always like to leave a bit of room between me and the guy ahead of me in case any of these people coming up behind are not paying attention. So far it looks good. Like, people, you should never get out of your car until you have a little few vehicles behind you. Crazy. People do not have a clue. One guy back there that's not paying attention comes through there faster than he should, could take out 10 vehicles. But they did good though, so. All right, guys, well, 4 hours later, so I was right. A bunch of semis all tangled up on the 5 mile here, and they got themselves all tangled up together. And yeah, 4 hours sitting in the truck. So I took that time to phone my sister in the Yukon and BS with her a little bit. Can't believe highways come out here and they didn't put gravel on this road. You see how shiny it is? It's a sheet of ice and no gravel on it, so there'll be some more wrecks here now. Unbelievable. Super slippery. I mean, not bad if you've got studded tires like I do, but it's icy. Cranes look spooky in the dark, eh? I like it. I don't even know if you can see them really. Maybe. So these cranes, they had to build these special platforms on the edge of the cliff with big pilings into the ground for these cranes to sit on, and they are literally up in the air. It's very, very cool. There's some of the bridge structures out there, guys. I don't know if you can quite see that. Very neat. Anyways, kind of a cool day anyhow. The end of it all. Well, if I don't talk to you guys before Christmas, if we don't get some flying weather happening or whatever, I hope you enjoyed this little montage video. It's been a madness, as Ali Law would say. Happy holidays, everybody.